Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Clash Royale clan family-friendly. First, you need to set clear expectations for all members. This includes defining what kind of language is acceptable and what behavior is not tolerated. Regularly checking the clan chat is crucial to ensure everyone adheres to these guidelines. Our goal is to foster a welcoming and positive space for players of all ages, ensuring a fun experience for everyone involved. Effective moderation is key to maintaining a family-friendly clan. Select a few trusted co-leaders who can assist in enforcing the established rules. It is important to have a zero-tolerance policy for any offensive language or inappropriate content. When rules are broken, provide clear warnings and, if necessary, implement consequences like temporary suspensions or even removal from the clan. Consistency is vital for fairness and effectiveness. Fostering positive communication within your clan is essential. Encourage members to offer helpful advice and constructive feedback to one another, especially regarding game strategies. Make sure to celebrate individual achievements, like reaching a new arena or earning a high number of War Day wins. Organizing regular friendly challenges and participating actively in clan wars can also boost morale and create a strong sense of community among all members. Maintaining a safe and friendly environment is an ongoing effort. Periodically review and update your clan rules to ensure they remain relevant and effective. It is also beneficial to educate your members, especially younger players, about general online safety practices. Encourage everyone to report any inappropriate behavior they encounter, ensuring that issues are addressed promptly. This proactive approach helps sustain a positive and secure space for all Clash Royale players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.